What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be showing you how to see your backup photos in Google Drive. So it's actually pretty quick if you know where to look, but there's a little catch most people don't realize. So first, you're going to have to open up the Google Drive app on your phone, or you can go to the website by typing in drive.google.com. So inside Drive, you've got a couple of spots to check. So if you tap on Files at the bottom and then select Computers at the top, you'll then be able to see any photos that were synced directly from your computer. But if you never synced anything, this section might be empty. Now, another place you can also look is by simply tapping the three lines at the top left. Then from here, you're then going to have to head over to Settings, then Backup. Here's where you'll then be able to see if your phone is set to backup photos and videos. But here's the important part. Even though they use the same Google storage space, you usually won't see your photos directly inside Google Drive. To actually view them, you need to open the Google Photos app. So simply open Google Photos and instantly you'll then be able to see all your backed up photos right there. You can even double check by tapping your profile icon in the top right to make sure your backup is turned on. For me, it's turned off right now, but if you turn it on, your photos will then start backing up. So as a quick reminder, Drive shows you synced files and backups, but the photos themselves always live in Google Photos. So that's the easiest way you can find your backup photos. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.